Hey, it's Phil from the Gorgias Partner team. Thank you so much for checking out the Gorgias Partner program. In this video, we're going to talk about the state of e-commerce customer experience, our approach to customer service excellence, and a walkthrough of our platform, which is helping merchants like Movement, Rothy's, and 310 Nutrition turn their customer service from a cost center to a profit generator. Right now, Amazon generates 50% of all online sales in the US. They've grown by offering outstanding customer service, but the experience that sellers get isn't always so favorable. That's why we're seeing e-com leaders look to own the entire customer experience. One of the best ways to compete against Amazon is building your own brand. We believe that a brand is a mixture of your customer's experience and the story. The customer experience comes down to three things: the product design and quality, the operations and the logistics, and customer service. That's where we come in. Why is customer service so important? Because 79% of all online shoppers said they will take their business elsewhere after experiencing poor customer service. You don't have a second chance. With the cost of acquiring a customer and competition going up every day, it's more important now than ever to keep those customers we work so hard to get happy and returning. What does this have to do with two hamsters stuck in a wheel? Well, that's what a lot of customer success teams look, operate, and feel like. They're inefficient, doing the same thing over and over again, and never getting anywhere. They never hit inbox zero. This doesn't have to be the case though. We see that 25% of customer interactions can be resolved in a single message, and 70% of all tickets are related to order status, returns and exchange, or canceling order. There is a lot of room for optimization. In this demo, we will go through the key features that allow Gorgias to transform customer support into a profit center following a three-step process. First, we optimize the most frequent customer support questions. Second, we communicate on every channel, including SMS and Instagram ads. Third, we help merchants monetize every conversation. So let's jump right into it. The first thing that you notice when you log in your Gorgias account for the first time is that your conversations are split in two different ways. First, you can split by type of inquiry, such as urgent request, where's my order, how to return and exchange, and so on, but also by channel. So if somebody's contacting you by chat, by Facebook Messenger, email, Instagram, and so on. And then when you arrive in a ticket, you see on the right side a rich Shopify or Magento widget that will provide you with all of the details about your client, including things such as when they ordered, where it's going, the tracking number, the tracking URL, and so on, what is in their order. It's all available right here. Also, if they have passed order, obviously. Directly from this widget, you can take actions that will be applied in Shopify or Magento, such as refund or cancel an order, or just refund a line item. And in your canned response, you can also take actions that will impact Shopify. For example, if somebody is asking you about changing their shipping address, you have a canned response that will pull all of the details that are already on file for this client, and then you can modify it directly here, send back the ticket, and it will update your CMS at the same time. Where people start saving a tremendous amount of time is by using CMS data points directly in their canned response. For example, if somebody is asking you, where's my order? You see here that the canned response already pre-populates the reply with all of the details that is currently in the customer data. And in one click, you add it, and you will have things such as their order number, where it's going, tracking number, tracking URL, and so on. All of this is obviously very easily customizable from the macro window. You can simply drag and drop the different data points that you wish to have embedded in your canned responses. Social media is a huge channel in 2019 and 2020. So that's why we made it a priority to open all of them into Gorgias, including Instagram ads and Facebook comments on ads as well. So for example, here, you see somebody commented that they love a product under an ad. So we tagged this comment as a social lead because they're expressing an interest to purchase the product. And it's also tagged as Facebook. And then you can have different social lead canned responses that you can rotate across your replies if you have hundreds of them per day, as a lot of you are scaling their budgets in busy seasons. You can also do things such as hiding the comment directly from here or liking it, and those will impact into Facebook. And if you reply, it will reply directly in line under the Facebook comment, and the person that first created this post will get a notification and will be brought back to your ad. So it's like free remarketing. Obviously, we can also pull in the negative comments and isolate them in order for your team to be able to hide them faster. And how does this work behind the scenes? So we have a powerful rule engine that can help you organize all of your conversations. And obviously at Gorgias, we're helping all our merchants get set up in the fastest way possible by deploying rules that we have in our internal library depending on their business settings. But when it comes to social media leads, we have a simple rule that if a new ticket is created, new message is created, and it's on Facebook and contain any of those keywords, things such as like, need, I want this, I love it, and so on, but is not tagged as a negative comment, then we will add as a social lead. It's quite simple and straightforward. But we can go much deeper than this. For example, we could auto reply to where is my order. If a new ticket is created and the message intent is about the shipping status, we can set up a workflow that will help you reply automatically to that request. Let me elaborate a little bit on intents. Intents is a new powerful feature that allow us to determine the content and the type of request that your customer is sending you without having to use keywords. We're using the power of machine learning in order and the millions of messages that we're reading at Gorgias to categorize all of the tickets that you're receiving in the principal categories of intent, such as, where's my order, how to apply a discount, what is your exchange policy, a negative comment on Facebook, and so on. All of these are automatically classified internally by our machine learning team. So in this example, ticket is created and the intent is where is my order, or finding out the shipping status. And the message intent is not about an item that was damaged or your exchange policy. And if the order is less than 10 days, we can reply automatically to the client with all of their specific data, again, such as number of the last order, where it's going, tracking number, and tracking URL. Right now, our intent detection accuracy is 95%, and it's just growing over time. So you're confident that when you're setting up workflows and auto reply based on intent, they will have the outcome desired. Let's talk about chat. Chat is a very powerful channel through which you can drive more sales. And in Gorgias, you can install it simply by turning it on in the flick of a switch. You can set, obviously, preferences such as business hours and so on. But chat campaigns is where some of the magic can really happen for your merchants. For example, if somebody just arrives on your landing page, you might want to greet them in a non-salesy way, on brand tone, a little bit funny. But if they're moving on to a certain specific collection or product page, for in this example here, the women's shoes collections or any product within the women's shoe collection, you can have a tailored message for them to incentivize them to purchase the product. Multitude of tests have been conducted with all our merchants to help drive more sales through chat. And here's the example of a copy that works really well for that purpose. Hey, those shoes have just arrived and they're on special now. Use shoe 10 for 10% off. Usually women go half a size up. We're happy to help you find the perfect fit. So we're providing an incentive to the merchant, to the client to buy the product right now. We're also telling him an objection busting statement, such as usually women go half a size up, because obviously sizing is the main problem for purchasing clothing online. And then we're letting the client know that we're available to help him if they're looking for more help. Why is this so powerful? Is that now we're able to measure how much sales are driven from pre-sale inquiries. So here you see a dashboard that measured the sales for a team on chat on September 3rd. That team received 200 pre-sale chat inquiries. 104 of them converted. That's close to a 50% conversion rate. And it drove $17,000 in sales on that day. Then you have the breakdown of all the sales for that team. And finally, you can also access the tickets that drove those sales and see why and how they converted, and potentially train your team to convert more. There's an array of more features, such as teams and satisfaction surveys and advanced analytics in Gorgias. But what we've just went through really is the core of what makes us different than all other help desks. We're happy to set up those integrations and those setup metrics for your merchants in just a few minutes. Our team of specialists is there to help. Let us know if we can be of any assistance on any existing or new accounts. Thank you.